Bok choy, also known as pak choy or Chinese cabbage, is one of the easiest and fastest growing leafy greens you can add to your urban garden. Bok choy thrives in cool weather, making it an excellent choice for early spring and fall plantings. It grows best in temperatures between 55 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or 13 to 21 degrees Celsius. If you live in a warmer climate, opt for partial shade to keep the plants from bolting too quickly. Start bok choy from seeds directly in the soil or transplant seedlings for a quicker harvest. Sow seeds about 1/4 to half an inch deep in rich, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. Bok choy loves fertile ground, so mixing in compost before planting is essential. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. In raised beds or containers, using a high-quality potting mix with compost and a touch of organic fertilizer will yield the best results. Spacing is crucial for healthy growth. Plant bok choy 6 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety. Baby bok choy can be spaced closer together, while full-sized heads need more room to thrive. Thin seedlings early to prevent overcrowding, which can stunt growth and invite pests. Bok choy may be an easy crop, but certain mistakes can ruin your harvest. One of the most common issues is planting at the wrong time. Since bok choy is a cool weather plant, trying to grow it in midsummer heat often leads to bolting. If temperatures rise too quickly, providing shade or growing it in a cooler part of your garden can help. Ignoring soil quality is another big mistake. Bok choy demands nutrient-rich soil, and if your soil is too sandy or lacks organic matter, plants will struggle. Regularly amending the soil with compost and aged manure ensures fertility. Inconsistent watering is another problem. Dry spells followed by sudden watering stress the plant, leading to poor growth and bolting. Keeping moisture levels steady by mulching around the plants will prevent this issue. Overcrowding bok choy can lead to weak plants and disease outbreaks due to poor airflow. Spacing plants properly ensures they have enough room to develop strong, healthy leaves. Neglecting pest control is another challenge, as cabbage worms, flea beetles, and aphids love bok choy. Using floating row covers to protect young plants and applying neem oil or insecticidal soap when necessary can help keep pests at bay. Many gardeners forget about succession planting. To enjoy a continuous harvest, planting new seeds every few weeks instead of growing everything at once will ensure a steady supply of fresh bok choy throughout the season. Pairing bok choy with the right neighbors improves plant health, repels pests, and maximizes space in your garden. Carrots and beets make excellent companions since they grow underground and do not compete with bok choy for nutrients. Spinach and lettuce share similar watering needs, making them great partners in a shared bed. Garlic and onions are also beneficial because they repel aphids and other common pests. Herbs like dill and cilantro attract beneficial insects that naturally control pest populations. Some plants should be kept away from bok choy. Brassicas like cabbage, kale, and broccoli compete for similar nutrients and attract the same pests, increasing the risk of infestations. Strawberries are another poor companion since they compete for nutrients and can slow down bok choy's growth. Not all bok choy varieties are the same, so choosing the right one depends on your garden space and climate. Baby bok choy, such as Shanghai green, is compact and fast-growing, making it ideal for small spaces and containers. Joy choy is a robust, bolt-resistant variety with thick, juicy stems and deep green leaves. Tatsoi is another excellent choice, featuring small, spoon-shaped leaves with a mild mustard-like flavor that works well in salads. White stem bok choy, also known as Mei Ching choy, is a traditional variety with large white stalks, crisp texture, and a sweet taste. For those in warmer areas, bolt-resistant types like Joy choy are the best option, as they can handle temperature fluctuations better than other varieties. Bok choy grows quickly and is often ready to harvest in just 30 to 45 days. To enjoy a continuous harvest, using the cut and come again method is highly effective. Trimming outer leaves while allowing the plant to keep producing new growth ensures an ongoing supply of fresh greens. If harvesting full heads, cutting at the base with a sharp knife is the best approach. Baby bok choy can be picked when the plants are around 6 inches tall. as this is when they have the most tender texture. If your bok choy bolts and sends up a flower stalk, the leaves may turn bitter. However, the flowers can still be used in stir-fries or salads as they have a mild, mustard-like flavor that adds a unique taste to dishes. Bok choy is one of the best greens for urban gardens, offering quick harvests, rich nutrients, and an easy-growing habit. By planting at the right time, avoiding common mistakes, and using smart companion planting strategies, you'll enjoy a thriving, productive crop. If this guide helped you, be sure to subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more expert gardening tips. Share this with fellow gardeners and let's grow together. Happy gardening!